Intercourse before or after marriage?
Bro, I'm Muslim, so that's like after marriage.
After?
Yeah.
For sure, for sure.
For sure. I'm virgin.
Bombastic side eye.
Dr. Anton.
Put your hands on your head, please. Give me your other hat! Give me your other hat!
Hey, I'm holding you, asshole. Hey, man, hey! I got it, bro. You happy? Hey, man!
Ay, scusami, amiguito.
Escúchame, amiguito.
¡Qué susto!